Okay, so another quick video on options trading so we can get trading now that you have options available. So I'm going to do SPY, S&P 500. I trade this a lot for many reasons, especially for options. For one, it has volume. It significantly always has volume so that we're never having to worry about getting in and out of a trade. Um, Also, the options end daily. You don't have to wait weekly or bi-weekly or monthly like some other stocks. So just go in here, hit trade options. Hit the May 23rd, which is tomorrow, because this is the night of the 22nd. Um, and we're looking at the call section here. And remember that you see these prices here on the right hand side. You multiply that by 100. So to buy the 532 call, you would need $130. Oh, actually, let's just keep looking at that. So again, looking at the Greeks down here on the bottom, the only real one that we really want to think about when looking for what strike price to get into is the delta right here. That delta determines how much you get paid for every time the stock moves $1. Since we're doing calls, when it goes up $1, your option would add $35 on. So like 130 would be 165 and so forth. What I would suggest that doing is getting a little bit farther outside of the money. So something that's a little bit more affordable and manageable with a smaller account. Um, like the 535. So this one's only $45. Now it has smaller profits, for the movement. If it only goes up $1, you're only going to make $16. But that's 30%, 35% for a dollar movement. Not bad for a dollar movement on a trade. Or if you look at your other options and regular stocks that you've been trading, you're not making anywhere near that. If the stock moves $1, you're not making 35. You're making, 10, 15, or whatever it was for what you were trading before. Um, and you can go even farther outside the money, but price action has been pretty slow lately. Um, as you can see here, just in the last week, it's only had a $7 move, almost $8 movement. So it's been about $1 a day, really, maybe $1.50. Now that Nvidia had earnings today or tonight, I'm foreseeing pretty good volatility at least the next couple days. Nvidia currently the stock is up $50, I think, from its earnings, 50, $60. So, um, yeah. Anyways, oh, it's right here. Yeah, so it went up. It had an earnings winner tonight, so it went up $60. It'll probably open pretty close to that, I imagine. It might even open up a little bit higher. Um, but reason why we're not looking at Nvidia right now, you're looking at $1,700 just to buy, the $1,010 call. So out of our price range. That's the other reason why I stick to SPY is it's affordable. Affordable and it has daily. Now on Fridays, that's a different story because options have a time decay. That's why I'm saying these daily um, options you see as May 24th, 25th, or 28th, and all that. You can go farther out if you want, but every time you go farther out, your prices go up because it's all time sensitive. So it's based off of, you see this 532 call. Well, you have an extra day for it to hit 532. So the premium's up. It's more likely it's going to hit. So it's going to cost more money because it's most likely going to hit that number. The more time something has to hit a certain price point, the more it's going to cost up front. That's the beauty of the dailies is that you know where the price action is going to be. You can trade it in and out, done. And the other thing is the volume. You see right here that it's still traded almost 60,000 just in volume just for this particular option. We go dollar out, it's 32,000. You have volume, so you have a lot of movement. Um, the worst thing you could ever do is get into an option or something and have no volume. Anything less than 1,000 is questionable to get in and out, especially if you're doing small positions. I wouldn't do it. Now, if you're doing a large position, if you're trying to buy like 20, 30, 50, 100 contracts, yeah, and you have something less than 1,000, you're not going to get out in time when you're trying to execute. So um, just stick to the dailies. That's kind of just my basic review. Um, I'm going to send this out to you, and maybe we can get trading here lined up here in the next couple of days.